Well, every now and again, you know, we get to travel a little bit. Every now and again, not so often, but every now and again, I hear someone that I feel could be a star. And I think the next gentleman I'm going to introduce you to, he really impressed me when I heard him. He made his one and only TV appearance on the BB show, and I just happened to be there. And not only is he a fine singer, but he's such a nice fellow. Please do put your hands together for Matt Leavy, my new friend. He's going to sing for you.
The sun comes up and throws its light into my window, catching me yawning. And I feel close, some tenderness, and hold me like you always want to be. Then I reach out and feel the warmth of you curl up beside me once again. It's the happiness of having you that makes my world a place worth living in. As I leave to go and face the care and worry of the day, my heart is yearning. For the setting sun could tell me that the day is done and I could be returning. To hold you close and kiss the lips that taste like heaven time and time again. It's the happiness of having you that makes my world a place worth living in. As the doors of darkness close upon a day that's been too long and too demanding, for the setting sun can tell me that the day is done and I could be returning. To hold you close and kiss the lips that taste like heaven time and time again. It's the happiness of having you that makes my world a place worth living in. It's the happiness of having you that makes my world a place worth living in. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Matt Leavy, a name I do think you're going to be hearing more of.